I love electronics. I love working on computers.
The number of jobs available are way more than the number of students we are graduating.
I'm looking for not just a job, but a career. I had electronics experience in the Air Force.
I've been to different colleges throughout the years, and Richland College is by far the best.
Right now is an ideal time for students to go into our engineering technology programs. There's a very wide range of job opportunities out there. Essentially anything that runs on electricity needs to be repaired, and the number of jobs available are way more than the number of students we are graduating, and it's not even close. And so the demand is outstanding. A reasonable starting salary would be in the mid 40,000 range, and on top of that are the fringe benefits that you would expect in full-time employment.
Just about every organization within ONCOR has a big need for employees, particularly employees with an associate degree or higher. The nice things we see from the Richland College students are they are prepared to enter the workforce.
Our eye is always on what our students will do once they graduate from our program. And so we will teach them not only the mathematical framework, but the hands-on application and the troubleshooting that the employers are looking for.
I'm looking for not just a job, but a career. And I feel that Richland College and the engineering technology program offers the career that I'm looking for.
Starting in the fall of 2015, all of our labs will be equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. The equipment we are purchasing is the same equipment used by most of the military branches, and so people joining us from the military will be comfortable in the fact that they won't have to have a whole new skill set be developed in order to enter the program.
I had electronics experience in the Air Force, and nobody would hire me, except for to make coffee for the guys that had degrees. So I went back to college, and I loved it because any question I had, I could stay after class for a few minutes, ask the instructor immediately, get an answer right then. After being enrolled at a major university, you realize that you don't get the attention from a professor at a university like you will from a community college.
You do get that teacher-to-student one-on-one time that you really need to excel and to learn, and it's very, very cost-effective.
One local university would cost about $20,000 to go through the first 2 years, and we figure at Richland to get the 2-year associate's degree would run about $2,000.
In order to do this, you kind of have to have a background in several different fields, including mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and a little bit of computer engineering. And electronics engineering couples all three of those together in one cohesive program.
The students that are coming into our program, we don't require them to have any prerequisite knowledge, although an interest in mathematics and problem solving, people that like to tear things apart, figure out why they work, put them back together, troubleshoot. People that ask the question why will typically do well in our program.
I would like to join the Texas Instrument team. I've been wanting to be a part of that since I was younger, living here in Dallas. Now that I'm out of the military and able, it's an achievable goal now, and this electronics program will allow me to do so.
This program here at Richland is the best. It fits people who like me, who's always on the go.